friends, today we are going to unpack a set of swimming pool LED stripe. This one is in RGB. You can check these LED chips on it, and there are 4 wires, which means RGB and positive wires. The LED chips is SMD 5050 in 3 colors. And this is special design for underwater application. The maximum we can do is 2 meters in depth. And we have put the waterproof connectors both sides because this one is 10 meters per row. So if we do more than 5 meters, we will suggest you to put the both sides with the power supplies unit. And I'm going to show you how we connect them. So you will receive it as a set, and there is the waterproof connector. You put them on and twist, make sure it's tight. Now I have already put the one under the controller, RGB, W, and positive, to a power supply unit or the driver. This one is 100 volt because for 10 meters it's 80 volt for a rod, and connect to a plug. If you have the all these should be under the demonstration by professional people and a controller. So now it's all set. I'm going to show you how we control it. Power on. Now turning on is the red. I'm going to take off the light. So blue, green, or any colors you want. When you don't want it, just turn it off.